Well, today we've got this interesting piece. It's a grinder. 9-inch Makita angle grinder, takes 2 batteries. As I just demonstrated, it's going perfectly well. However, this one has an issue. It's got a switch activator problem. The switch activator's coming on out, and the guy that owns it had the cable tie it closed, which is dangerous with a rotating disc and 2 batteries. It's kind of a bit of a nightmare, but something's broke off this part of the scenario. But I have an idea how to fix it. Yes, being the 21st century budget Macgyver that I am, I have come up with a cunning plan. There seems to be a bit broke off or a bit missing, and this plastic bit here holds the switch down. I'll just get this a little bit closer so you can see that little bit there. So I have a plan, and the plan involves these 2 things here. We call them cable ties, in the USA they call them zip ties. So the plan is as follows. We need something to stop the lever coming back, but still allowing the movement so it actually can engage the switch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed, there's a little slot here, I'm going to feed this tie through here, and at the same time use this, the shape of the tie to on there. So what I need to do is get something to keep it in this position. So I'm going to try and cut a bit of plastic, glue it in alongside that tie, and hold it in position, still allowing it to move up and down. So that's why I'm going to use another one of these, and my knife with a brand new blade in it. So I'm going to cut this here. Try and fashion it into a bit of a shape to push in that little slot. The beauty about this is I get as many goes at this as I want. These parts are made out of these ties, so until my couple of 100 ties are gone, I can work away at this. So I need to glue that down, cut it off and glue it down. We'll also give it a little melt with the soldering iron, just to seal it in. Feel smooth in the hand now. Good. Let's give it a go now. That's pretty good. It's not coming out. It's just coming out far enough. That's excellent. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.